How to update Microsoft Teams. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Microsoft Teams. In order to update your Microsoft Teams, you will need to first go to your Google Play Store and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to locate the search icon. Tap on the search icon and in this page, tap on the search bar at the very top and there type in the name Microsoft Teams. Once you have entered the name, now press on the search icon of your keyboard at the bottom right to search for it. Within a while, you will be able to see the search results in this page. Here find the authentic Microsoft Teams application and then tap on the app icon to open it. By doing so, now in this page, here look for the update button. If an update is available, you can find the update button instead of this open button. Simply tap on the update button and wait for a while until the app gets successfully updated. But if you do not see an update option, it means you are already using the latest version. Here in this page, I am able to see the open button instead of update, which means my application is already up to date. So by following these steps, you should be able to update your Microsoft Teams or ensure that your Microsoft Teams application is up to date. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.